century-long legacy of excellence in engineered sealing solutions, combining innovation, precision and sustainability to deliver unparalleled performance across industries is our mission. With a steadfast commitment to our heritage and an eye toward the future, we remain at the forefront of sealing technology. In the heart of Austria, nestled amongst the breathtaking Alps, lies a company that stands as a testament to innovation, reliability, and excellence in engineering. DENSIQ, a world-renowned mechanical seal manufacturer, has been at the forefront of sealing technology for decades. Since its start, DENSIQ has been driven by a passion for creating cutting-edge, high-quality mechanical seals tailored to meet various industries' unique demands. From power plants and petrochemical facilities to pharmaceutical and food processing plants, DENSIQ's seals ensure seamless, leak-free operations across many applications. With an unwavering commitment to precision, DENSIQ's skilled engineers and designers collaborate to transform raw materials into technologically advanced sealing solutions. By harnessing the latest in computer-aided design and manufacturing technologies, DENSIQ guarantees that every seal meets the highest quality and performance standards. In the picturesque landscapes of Denmark, where ingenuity and engineering excellence come together, stands a company that has redefined the standards of expansion joint technology. VM Compensator, a leading manufacturer of expansion joints, is an industry leader in providing unparalleled sealing solutions for various applications and industries. Expansion joints are essential components in modern industrial systems, expertly designed to absorb movements, vibrations, and thermal expansions, preserving critical infrastructure's structural integrity and durability. VM Compensator's broad range of expansion joints caters to the unique challenges faced by diverse sectors, including power generation, petrochemicals, water treatment, and pulp and paper industries. At the core of VM Compensator's success is a dedicated team of skilled engineers and designers committed to crafting the most efficient, robust, and innovative expansion joint solutions. VM Compensator ensures that every expansion joint meets the highest quality and performance standards. VM Compensator is more than just a manufacturer. We are a reliable partner dedicated to your success, with a strong focus on customer satisfaction. With production facilities in Norway, Sweden, and Finland, DENSIQ's expertise extends to polymer seals, graphite rings, cam profiles, flat gaskets, on-site production, and a multitude of other sealing solutions. Each product is meticulously crafted to provide reliable and secure sealing, even in the most challenging conditions. Mechanical seals, expansion joints, and gaskets are the unsung heroes of the process industry, preventing leaks, reducing downtime, and improving safety. DENSIQ's innovative leak sealing services and OSM solutions take these benefits further, preventing unplanned shutdowns and boosting customer productivity worldwide. At the heart of DENSIQ's success lies a century-long commitment to engineering excellence, driven by our skilled team of engineers and designers who work tirelessly to develop cutting-edge sealing solutions. Our passion and expertise are evident in every product and service we offer. Our experts are available around the clock to provide technical support, on-site assistance, and custom-designed solutions tailored to your specific needs. With a heritage of innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence, DENSIQ Group is poised to continue leading the way in sealing technology for the next century and beyond.